Welcome back to our new video. Today's video is all about to set the default blog post sidebar to the left side. As default in Divi theme, the blog post sidebar is to the right side in every post. Let's start to change it to the left side. Log in to the WP admin. From the left side menu, go to Divi and select Theme Options. In the General tab itself, scroll down to see the option called Sidebar Layout. Select the drop-down option with Left Sidebar and save changes. Go and view any of the posts. Now the sidebar is changed to the left side. In some cases, you want to fix the sidebar of a particular post to the right side, or you don't want to show the sidebar at all. To do so, edit that particular post and go to the right side menu options called Page Layout. Select the drop-down with how you want to show the sidebar to that particular post and update the post. You will see the changes to only that particular post and other posts will be in the default settings. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again in another wonderful video tutorial.